All right, let's talk about a classic tech headache, getting a file from your Windows PC over to your Android phone without having to hunt down a single cable. We're going to dive right in and see exactly how to do it.
Are you still digging through that one drawer full of tangled USB cables, just hoping to find the right one? Yeah, we've all been there. But the good news is, you really don't have to do that anymore. That's right. The goal here is simple. We are going to completely cut the cord. We'll walk through 4 different ways to move your files wirelessly so you can find the perfect one for you. First up, we've got the old faithful Bluetooth. It's built into pretty much every device we own, which makes it the most classic, straightforward place to start. You know, the real beauty of Bluetooth is just how simple it is. You don't have to install any new software. You don't have to sign up for any services. If you're just sending a single photo or a document once in a while, this is absolutely the most direct way to get it done.
And the process? It's a total breeze. The best part is, you only have to do that initial pairing one time. After that, it's just a couple of clicks on your PC, a quick tap on your phone, and you're golden. Perfect for those quick, I just need to send this one thing moments.
Okay, but what if you're transferring files a lot more often? Well, for you, our next method is going to be a game changer, especially if you're a Windows user. Let's take a look at Microsoft's very own solution, PhoneLink. This is way more than just a file sender. It's a tool that creates a really deep connection between your devices. It uses your Wi-Fi network to make your phone and your PC act like one seamless team.
After a quick little setup, you get to the magic part, and this is where the power of it really shines. You can literally see your phone's screen live right on your computer monitor, and then you just drag a file from your desktop and drop it right onto your phone. I mean, for frequent transfers, it just doesn't get any smoother than that.
Okay, so what if you want even more control? What if you need features that go way beyond what the built-in tools can offer? Well, that is exactly where our third category comes in: dedicated third-party apps.
These apps are for the folks who manage a ton of files or just want the absolute most powerful features that you can get. Think of them like the Swiss Army knives of file transfer. But you know, that extra power, it often comes with a price tag.
So with apps like Droid Transfer or AirDroid, you install a program on your PC and a little buddy app on your phone. Connecting them is usually as simple as scanning a QR code. And once you're linked up, you can browse your phone's entire file system right from your computer. Just keep in mind, that key feature, transferring from the PC to the phone, is often a premium paid feature.
Now for our final method, and this one kind of changes the game because it doesn't connect your devices to each other directly at all. Let's talk about the power of cloud storage.
The whole idea here is just beautifully simple. You use an online service as a middleman. You upload a file from your PC into the cloud, and then you just open the app on your phone and download it. In fact, the source material calls this probably the easiest way because it just works wherever you have an internet connection.
And chances are, you're probably already using one of these services. Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. They all do this incredibly well. Some, like Google Drive, even let you set up special folders on your PC that automatically sync to the cloud, making files instantly pop up on your phone without you even lifting a finger.
So we've covered 4 fantastic wireless options. We've got Bluetooth, PhoneLink, third-party apps, and the cloud. So the big question is, which one is right for you? Let's break it down.
So here's how it shakes out. For a quick, one-and-done transfer, just stick with Bluetooth. Easy. If you want that deep, seamless Windows experience, PhoneLink is definitely your best bet. Power users who really need those extra features should check out the third-party apps. And of course, for getting your files from anywhere on any device, the cloud is just unbeatable. But keep one thing in mind. If you're moving really large files, the local options like Bluetooth or PhoneLink are usually going to be way faster than uploading and then downloading again.
So here's the main takeaway. You have choices, lots of them. The days of being tethered to your computer just to move a simple file, well, those days are officially over. Now you can pick the exact method that fits what you're doing. Your files are no longer trapped on one device. They can move as freely and as quickly as you can. So the only question left is, with all this new wireless freedom, what will you do next?